Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about the Indian economy on the eve of independence. What was the condition of economy when India got independence? So colonial exploitation of the Indian economy under the British rule. Indian economy under the British rule was subjected to colonial exploitation. It implied a targeted exploitation of all the sector of the economy by the British government. This is how it happened. Clear? We know it very well that British exploited our economy. So how it happened, we will discuss. First is colonial exploitation of agricultural sector. Agricultural was exploited through jamindari system of land revenue. You know, bachcho, what is the meaning of jamindari system? You had studied in your social science. So, following observation highlight how this system led to exploitation of the Indian agriculture. Zamindars were declared as the owner of the soil. They were to pay the fixed sum to the government by way of land revenue and were free to extract as much as they wished or as much as they could from the tillers of the soil, that is farmers. Then the tillers of the soil, that was agricultural or actual cultivators, got bare minimum for survival. They were left with no surplus for investment in the agriculture. The jamindar, on the other hand, spent their revenue income on the luxuries of life. Little or no investment was made for the development of agriculture. Clear? All the money which jamindar were gaining, they spend it on their luxuries. There was no reinvestment in the agricultural. Clear? This was the cause of the exploitation of agriculture. Then second one is colonial exploitation of industrial sector. Prior to the British rule, industrial sector in India was well known for its handicrafts. Indian handicrafts enjoyed the worldwide reputation for their variety and quality, but these were destroyed by the British government in two ways. Before the entering of the Britisher, India was well known for its handicrafts. You know it very well. There were a lot of handlooms, but as the Britisher entered in India, it ruined this industry by two ways. First is foreign demand for Indian handicraft were destroyed by the way of heavy duty on their export. They imposed heavy duty on the export, and domestic demand for the Indian handicraft was destroyed by way of duty free import of the British goods in the Indian market, and they invited British goods in the India. So these two way they have destroyed our industrial sector. And the third one is colonial exploitation of international trade. India's international trade was exploited through discriminatory tariff policy. It implied duty-free export of Indian raw material to fulfill the industrial needs in Britain, and duty-free import of British goods to expand demand for the British goods in the Indian market. So by these two ways they have destroyed the international trade of India. What they were doing, they have reduced or removed the export duty, which was very beneficial for the Britisher, and they also removed the import duty of the British goods so that the cost is reduced and Indian people gets familiar or habitual of using that good. So these are the way through which Britisher destroyed the Indian economy. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.